Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from the Python tutorial series, and in this video we are going to discuss about membership operators in Python. So without any delay, let's get started. The membership operators in Python are used to check the existence of a particular value in a given sequence. Okay. Basically, as you can see on my screen, there are two membership operators. One is in and the other one is not in. So in returns true if a given value exists in a sequence, and not in returns true if a given value doesn't exist in a sequence. Basically they are opposite of each other. If you are not sure what this membership operator does, I am giving you an example. Suppose there is an array or list of names which contain the name of the 11 players that will play for our country today. Now you have got a name and you should check whether that name is present within the list or not. So how will you do it? One thing which you can do, you can run a for loop or a while loop and check for the presence. And if the iterator crosses the end of that list, you should say this member is not present. But Python provides you with an easier way. When you write name in and then the array, basically you say you are checking whether that name is present in the array or not. So we have done enough of theory. I have tried to give you a small hint about what are the membership operators in Python and how do we use them. But don't worry. Now we are going to see how we implement the same in Python. So let's go to VS Code. So welcome to VS Code. So here as you can see, I have a list which contains three names: John Doe, Anil Rastogi and Christiana Hope. And we are assigning this list in a variable named students. Thereafter we are checking whether a particular name is present in this list or not. That is, John Doe exists in students. We write John Doe in students. So when you write this, what will happen? Python will check whether this name is a member within this list. So as you can see, John Doe is present within this list students. So when you write John Doe in students, it will evaluate to true. Okay. But in the next line you can see we are writing Samrat exists in students. So when I say Samrat in students, you basically see this name Samrat Sen is not present in any part of this list. It doesn't contain this name. So when this list will not contain this name, so what will happen? This will evaluate to false. Okay. Let's run the code and see if the output is as per our expectation. So we will write Python 12.py. And as you can see, John Doe exists in students. This is returning true because John Doe is present within this list. And when you write John Doe in students, this means you are checking whether this name is present in the students list. And as it is present, it is evaluating to true. But in the next case, Samrat Sen, this name is not present within this list. So it evaluates to false. This is pretty easy and very helpful in Python because this helps you to ignore the for loop and the while loop in Python temporarily, and you can directly check for the presence of an element within a given sequence. Okay, so let's go back to our slide. I hope you are clear with this video. In case you have any doubt, you can let us know. I will post a link of the document in the description section below. You can go and check it out. And if you really think this video has helped you out, please subscribe to our channel as that will motivate us to bring more videos in future. For any queries, doubts, suggestions or feedbacks, feel free to post them in the comment section. We are going to reply. So thank you for now. See you in the next video. Bye.